Match my speech with you. Dear students, there are some keywords in your book. The first keyword typical. The first keyword typical. What is typical? Dear students, we can say for example, typical. This is one kind of typical. Totally no man, but this is one kind of man. No man, but this picture is one kind of man. This is the type of man. This is one typical. This is typical. Dear students, follow my speech very carefully. Extraordinary. Mr. Kanchan is just ordinary man. Mr. Kanchan is an ordinary man. You can call ordinary. I am ordinary. The student is not ordinary. But when some extra ability are in the person, we can call him extraordinary. Extraordinary. General are excess of general or a large number of experience are in the person. We can call him extraordinary. Next, the word willpower. I have no willpower to say something to you. I have no willpower to ride a bus. I have no willpower to set up a fan in this room. Willpower. Determination. Dear students, determination. This is a very important word and it helps our everybody's life. It helps. It is very important word. Determination. No one can success in his life without determination. When we will do any kind of work, we must be determined or sure we will fail. Dear students, determination, I will pass in this examination. Determined, I will be determined. Or I will promise I will pass in the examination. Or I will acquire 80% mark in this subject or in English or 90% mark. Determined. This is determination. Aspect. This is one kind of aspect. There are many ways in our life. When I will choose one kind of aspect. Look at the board, please. This is my pen. Aspect. There are many ways. In our life. There are many ways in our life. But I will choose one way. I will choose one way. I will choose one way. Aspect. This is one kind of aspect. I will choose one way. This is one kind of aspect. Dear students, spirit. We can generally call that the boy has no spirit. No spirit. The man has no spirit. The boy is driving his bicycle, but speed. Is it clear? The last keyword is define. Define. When anyone wants to hit you or kill you, you will define the hit of the enemies. You will define the hit of the enemies like this. Okay? This is define. Dear students, I hope that about the keywords you have no doubt or no inquiry of me among you. So I would like to request everyone that if you have any questions to me or if you have any difficulties, you can ask. I will try my little best to answer your question or solve your problem. Dear students, do you have any questions? I think that all you well very nicely. All you understand very well. Dear students, Chapter 45, Section A. Open your book, please. Now look at your book. Read the text and take the best answers to the following questions. There are some questions below the passage. There are some questions below the passage. There are some questions below the passage. Our duty is to read the passage very carefully. Very carefully we will read the passage. Next, try to answer choose the best answer. Try to answer the questions. Dear students, I am reading. Everyone follow your book and listen my speech very carefully. There is a small village called Bhavanipur in Zineda. Bhavanipur, what is Bhavanipur? Bhavanipur is the name of a village. Typical village. And what is Zineda? Zineda is the name of a district of Bangladesh. Bhavanipur is the name of a village, but Zineda is the name of a district, famous district in our country, Bangladesh. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the fields and doing household work. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. People here, the people of this village or the people of this country, whose country? Zineda. Sorry, which district? Zineda. Which country? Bangladesh. People here spend their day-to-day life, day-to-day life, that means daily life. Mostly working in the fields. Mostly works in the field. And doing household work. Household work, this kind of work, we have done at our home, at our dear students. In this ordinary village, there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. In this ordinary village, there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. Maya is the short name of Shamima Akhtar. Maya is the short name of Shamima Akhtar. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life. But the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. But the cruelty could not defeat her This is speed. But defeat. But defeat. Okay, look at me. This is speed. But this defeat. I don't go out in front. Don't go in front. This is defeat. She had, but the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. Shamima is now 32 years old. How many? How old of Shamima is now? How old was Shamima? Shamima is 32 years old. She has only one son named Ashikur Rahman Kono. Shamima has a son, only one son. What's the name of her? What's the name of he? What's the name of his? His name is Ashikur Rahman Kono. She runs a small body called Waiko Nari Kullan Samastha. She runs a small body called Waiko Nari Kullan Samastha. Let's hear from Shamima how she succeeded in getting up her body. Dear students, now I hope that all of you understand very well my speech and the passage. Now our duty is to read the best answer and find out the. Now our duty is to read the questions and find out the answer of this question. Bhavani Purides, I became Bangladeshi village. The underlined word means usual, unusual, usual, famous, infamous. Typical. Which one is the correct answer or which one is the right answer? Typical. Typical. Unusual. Usual. Famous. Infamous. Shamima, person number 2, Shamima is an extraordinary person. Here underlined word means common, simple, emerging, normal. The people of determination succeeded in the long run. Here the underlined word means willpower, weakness, strong, desire, wish. Next on of her, Shamima has faced the darkest aspect of life. Here